Hey everyone, and welcome to RoamTips.com. I'm so glad you're here. In today's quick guide, we're going to show you how to easily turn VoiceOver on and off on your Apple TV. This accessibility feature is super helpful for some, but can be a bit of a mystery if it gets activated accidentally. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Apple TV tips and tricks. We're always putting out new content to help you get the most out of your devices. Okay, let's get started. There are a couple of ways to toggle VoiceOver on or off. Method 1, Siri, the easiest. The absolute easiest way is to simply use Siri. Just press and hold the Siri button on your Apple TV remote and say, demonstrate pressing the Siri button and saying, turn VoiceOver on or turn VoiceOver off. Yep, it's that simple. Siri is your best friend here. Method 2, using the settings menu. If Siri isn't working for you, or you prefer to do things manually, you can use the settings menu. 1. Visually guide through the steps on screen from the Apple TV home screen, navigate to Settings, the gear icon. 2. Scroll down and select Accessibility. 3. Find VoiceOver in the list. 4. Click on VoiceOver to toggle it on or off. The switch will be green when VoiceOver is enabled and gray when it's disabled. And that's it. You've successfully turned VoiceOver on or off on your Apple TV. So there you have it, 2 quick and easy ways to control VoiceOver on your Apple TV. Whether you prefer using Siri for a quick fix or diving into the settings menu, you now know how to manage this helpful accessibility feature. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more Apple TV tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.